Hey guys, it's Trent from Sunday again. This is our pet lawn, pet resistant grass seed. It's the first of its kind. It's resistant to damage from pet urine. We tested over 160 different varieties of grass to decide on this blend. We use tetraploid ryegrass and select tall fescues. Together, they make the grass much more resistant to damage from urine. You could overseed your lawn with it to make it stronger over time, or if you're seeding a brand new lawn, you could start from scratch and make a really nice pet-resistant lawn. To seed your lawn, you can use a hand spreader or a push rotary spreader. You can even just use your hands. It's pretty easy to do. Just fill up your spreader. In this case, I'm gonna use a hand spreader. Walk slowly and evenly spread the seed across your entire lawn area. To increase the strength of your lawn, we recommend overseeding annually with our pet lawn pet resistant grass seed. Fall is a great time to do this. If you have persistent bare areas in your lawn, we recommend our pet lawn bare repair product to fix those.